Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am going to be filming for you an ERIN CONDREN unboxing video. I just received in the mail my 2018-2019 ERIN CONDREN Life Planner. Oh, you guys, I love my life planner so much. So you can only guess how excited I am that it is that time of the year and the life planners have arrived. If you are interested in what I ordered from ERIN CONDREN this year, then keep on watching. So as you can see here, I have not opened my planner yet. So let's get into it. I have my trusty pair of scissors here. Just trying to look on my viewfinder and see what you guys can actually see. So you can't see any of this. Here is the package, and when you open it, oh, I've already failed. 1 second. So the first thing to come out of the ERIN CONDREN package was this Enjoy label. They're really good about sending little labels or little note cards, so that was the first thing to come out. I will probably open this not on an angle. So when you open the box, I feel like this whole video is probably just gonna be a bloopers reel. My whole channel is a bloopers reel anyways. And that being said, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. The second item out of the box is a postcard, and now it is nicely bent from falling out of the box. Nurture your mind with great thoughts. So I will go nurture my mind with great thoughts. You guys, I'm so excited. I'll probably put this on my lap and then open it there. So the first item that was in the packaging in the box here is this reusable bag. Now, I was one of the first people to order a life planner. I think you had to order it within the first week, and if you did, then you got this reusable bag. I haven't really seen it, I only saw a couple photos. It's kind of like a rain jacket material. It has their this year's print on it. I have no idea if any of that was in the frame or not. Well, thank you, ERIN CONDREN. So the second item that is in my unboxing little package would be the stylized sticky notepads. If you are familiar with ERIN CONDREN, you can order a lot of accessories that go along with your life planner. I just find it so useful for writing down grocery lists. I write to-do lists, anything that I want to write a list for. And the ones that I ordered this year have the same Woven Wonder pattern at the top. So what ERIN CONDREN does is every year she comes up with sort of like a pattern of what the life planner is going to be. The next thing in the box is this. Enjoy 3 samples for yourself, a gift or gift to a friend. Oh, okay. So I guess what this is you get these samples, I would imagine, when you make another purchase. So yes, very cool, thank you. The next thing in the planner, oh, I'm so excited for this, is the sticker book. Now, last year was the first year that I purchased the sticker book with, sorry, I can't speak today. Now, I have to admit, I didn't really use the sticker book too much in my actual planner. I just use this for other things outside of my planner. So if I'm sending a card or if I'm sending, I don't know, a note or anything, I usually just add a couple stickers on. I got the same Woven Wonder pattern that is on the rest of my planner items. I do like doing that. I'm super weird in that way, and I like everything being cohesive and matching. But this is what the sticker book looks like inside. So when you first open it, you have a couple stickers that fit right in the little section of the planner. Just a bunch of other stickers. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, those are new. Sorry, I'm totally getting sidetracked. The next item in the box here are labels. Basically, these are labels that you can put every day in your planner. So this one says birthday because I had run out of birthday labels. I still have lots of labels left over from my order last year. You can write anything you want on these labels. They're totally customizable as far as color and whatever you write. So the next item is by far the most exciting of them all. This is, oh, sorry, I haven't been able to look at it yet. Oh, I love it. Here is my 2018-2019 ERIN CONDREN Life Planner. It has the same, what's it called? Woven Wonder. It has the same Woven Wonder pattern as the rest of the supplies that I bought. And I got the gold coil and I got the 12-month planner. Now I am showing you the back of the planner. I did have something personalized that I wrote on the front that I'd rather not share on camera, but I will show you the inside of the planner. Ooh. So the first thing that fell out is this plan for a pouch. This comes with the planner, and what it is it's a little plastic pouch, and it's got a little kind of like zipper thing on it here, and it comes with a little set of coils that you can put on and you can stick right in your planner. It's really great for things like receipts, little odds and ends that you want to keep in your planner. This is the planner. ERIN CONDREN has a lot of really great additions to this date planner as far as note pages, inspirational quotes. It has calendar layouts, and as you can see here, there's little tabs for whatever month you have. But the first thing that you'll see in the month is the calendar layout, so the monthly layout. This is how I have my day set up. I got the vertical daily layout. This is the layout that I like the best. You can see the Woven Wonders theme is continuous throughout the whole planner. Also in the planner is a lot of lined note pages, contacts page, there's coloring pages, and I just realized this is probably way too bright. You can't see it. Oh well, you get the gist of it. At the end of the planner, you have more stickers. There's also label pages. There's a little pouch if you want to keep items in your planner. And then it also comes with a perpetual planner. Basically what this is, sorry, I'll put that down. It has space to write people's birthdays and important dates like anniversaries. The next year when you are setting up your new planner, you can just have everything recorded and write it into your new one. And one last thing I forgot to mention is your planner also comes with a ruler. Now the ruler has, what do you call these little like grooves in it, so it clips onto the coil. That is my 2018-2019 ERIN CONDREN Life Planner order. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, if you do want a more thorough, sort of in-depth video of the ERIN CONDREN Life Planner, please leave those in the comments down below. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And if you are subscribed, please consider hitting that little notification bell that's down below, and you will be notified of my new videos. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye. As you can see here, I have, if you do go, that look blurry. I feel like I say that every single video. And this are, it was like a high pitch. I think dogs heard it across the street. So, I guess that's kind of all I will say today.